What is this for?
It will generate an example directly. No need to edit that example. Failed to compile cargo generation. Intermediate artifact that found.
Okay.
No matching version found the package clap. Oh, why location searched version found. It's already there, I think, right? Yeah.
You're talking
Yeah, it's
about?
already there. It's a cargo generator. It's already there, I think.
Okay.
Cargo. Just G and tab. Check one. Tab. Enter tab.
It's not working.
Means it's not installed. It failed to compile cargo generator. Intermediate artifacts can be found and cargo installed. No matching version. Open in Firefox as cargo generator.
Open in Firefox.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are steps to install cargo generator. No, not steps, just GitHub you do that. Yeah, open this, not cargo install. Cargo generate, GitHub. Yeah, open here, it is there, right? Cargo generate credits.io Rust.
This one?
Package, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are we looking cargo generate for?
It will generate an example for Arduino. Generate means we are generating the example codes.
Okay.
Directly, no need to write.
Okay.
It only create, we need to give this project name, that's it.
Okay.
And it will be done.
Okay.
Open GitHub repository. Click on, down, scroll down. Here they are mentioned how to install.
Here? Okay.
Yeah. Same thing, cargo generator.
Okay.
Scroll down. Yeah, here it is there, right? Installation, cargo install, cargo generate. That's it.
So I need to copy that code and put it in the terminal.
Yeah. Do just CD before that. CD.
Enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do here.
Okay. Can I use the shortcut Control C, Control V?
Control Shift V, you need to do that.
Okay.
Fail to download. Unable to get packages from source. Fail to unpack package. Oh, you have not installed properly Rust, I think. Do the installation, cargo install Rust properly then.
1 second, let me show you something. When I open new file, text file, and I select a language, Rust, here.
Yeah, extension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened is it showed Rust is deprecated. That's the reason. That's what I wanted to show you, if that is causing problem. Yeah, see?
No, you need to install that Rust analyzer. This one you not required. Just delete that one, Rust.
This one? How do I delete?
Yeah. Just click.
Okay.
Already, you have not installed, I think, this one.
I had installed right? it. It says deprecated now.
Use Rust Analyzer extension instead. Yeah, just click Rust Analyzer.
Okay.
Click on Rust Analyzer.
So this is
and switch to release version only already. Yeah.
Should I
no
click
problem. You have installed both
Rust
and Rust Analyzer. That's why it's giving the error. Problem. Go to Rust. That only deprecated.
Okay. How do I uninstall it?
Here it should show at least uninstall option. Right click on that only, or else.
Here, right click.
Here only. On left side.
Here, okay.
No, you are not installed actually.
I think I had installed this.
Just remove that Rust and search bar.
Yeah, search for.
Yeah, that remove here. Yeah, here it will show that installed one. Search here. Installed already. Yeah. Scroll down and check whether you installed or not.
Oh no, I have only Rust Analyzer here. I don't see Rust.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you haven't installed. No problem. You need to install Rust. This is Rust Analyzer.
Okay. Okay.
So you need to install Rust. So just go to Firefox and search Rust programming language, and there is a step. there is a command, need to copy and just paste.
Should I click on install? Or?
Rust programming language.
Yeah.
Click on that Rust programming language.
Okay.
Get started.
Okay.
Or install. Yeah, here is installing user. Yeah. Scroll down. Go. Copy that one only.
Wait, this one you mean?
Yeah, this one.
Paste it here.
Yeah.
Okay. First one. Okay.
Click one.
I think that's done. Rust is
Now
installed.
yeah.
Okay.
Installed. Now you just do the cargo install, cargo generate.
Cargo hyphen generate, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What am I using this for? Oh,
Oh, again it is showing why it's failed to open. I mean, okay.
unable to get
Failed to
packages
download.
from source.
Yeah, from source.
It's not able to find the repo.
No. It's not able to generate the installed cargo installation, anything. Do cargo install clip link?
Right? Bro, I'm saying failed to download, right?
Yeah. Cargo install flip link, flip hyphen link, space.
No,
Not clip,
unable to
flip.
get the package from source.
Yeah. F, flip link.
Is this correct?
File IFP.
Sorry?
Flip link, F.
Okay. Flip, got it. Flip hyphen link.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just enter. Here it is installing. Oh, you have not connected internet here? Connected, right?
Connected.
Yeah.
In the virtual machine.
Yeah,
and
do it. Now do check once cargo, install cargo generate.
no.
Oh, home lavanya.cargo registry source github. .cargo. What you will do, just copy that, go to that path. Home lavanya.cargo registry source. There.
In the system you want me to navigate there.
Yeah, CD. Do the CD. Here on CD.
Okay.
CD space. Change it. Home slash home. Slash home.
CD, there's no space.
CD space slash home.
Okay.
Copy that above it is showing, right? Failed to open path it is showing there.
Yeah.
Just copy till github.com. Enter tab, it will go to there directly.
No, tab is not working. It says, it gives a beep sound.
Oh,
GitHub link also? Until GitHub link?
yeah, GitHub. Yeah, just that's it. Enter.
Okay.
Yeah, now you are in that cargo registry. Here, need to delete this one, cargo generate. Cargo generate 0. So rm something command is there.
Okay.
RM-R.
rm-r space.
Space?
rm
Sorry.
space -r
Okay.
space. Now cargo -gen tab.
Gen and then
Tab.
tab. Okay.
Yeah, delete. Enter, hit enter.
Okay.
Now you now do just CD.
Okay.
Now you try to download that cargo generate.
Cargo generate.
Cargo install generate.
Cargo install. Okay, sorry. Cargo install. Cargo hyphen generate.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What was the problem?
The previously I think it is not installed properly. The packages are missing. So what I have done is I removed completely that folder and we are reinstalling again that cargo generator.
Okay.
I think you tried installing that one cargo generator, so it is not installed properly. Previously you have tried, I think.
Previously, I have tried installing Cargo Generate, and that has not been done properly. That's why it was giving
Yes.
us error.
Yes.
Okay.
Have you tried that installing that cargo generator previously?
I don't remember exactly.
I think that's why it is already existing.
Okay.
When we are trying that, it is giving that packages issue.
Okay.
So we have completely removed that folder and again we are installing that cargo generator.
Okay. And now it is able to install.
Yes.
Okay.
It is already working is there, but I want to show how to generate. You don't know, right? Cargo generate.
Yes,
So that's
I
why.
do know. Okay.
Yeah. Because I have that Arduino. It is already working.
Okay.
I will share while installing that. Here Arduino LED I have created.
1 second. Yes.
It's visible, right?
Yeah.
So it's already installed. I have just created. Okay. This LED blinking.
Okay.
So PB5 pin number, PB13, sorry, D13 in
Okay.
Arduino, and that is the port B, 5 pin number 5, D13. So you want just LED blinking, right?
Yes.
So it is halt LED toggle and halt delay. If I build here also,
Okay.
Cargo build FLFM release, it's building and it's finished.
Okay.
So no error.
Okay. So if you connect board at this point, it will blink the LED on the board.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can see here I have just created generated. So it will generate in my name also directly.
Okay.
Author, edition.
Okay.
So no need to edit those things. It will generate all these things. We need to
Okay.
just modify.
Okay.
Done, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
installed.
Cargo Generate is installed.
Yeah, now you need to install one more thing. Which one? Port. Yeah, I'm pasting that link. Okay, copy that link.
Okay.
Cargo
Okay.
generate generate.
Cargo hyphen generate.
Yes, no hyphen, just generate. Cargo generate. Space.
Okay.
Space.
Okay.
Hyphen git.
Okay.
Space and paste here that link.
Control Shift V.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Enter.
Okay.
Yes. Hit enter.
Okay. Project name.
Give the project name.
Okay. Hmm.
Select your board.
Arduino.
Which board do you use? Arduino. Yeah. Hit enter.
Okay.
It's already there. We are done. And here just CD and check where you have installed this. So in desktop only you have installed it.
Okay.
CD.
CD.
Space.
That's it? Yeah.
Yeah. Type that name which you have given.
Arduino Blink.
Yeah. Tab. Check tab. Hit enter. Tab.
No, I'm hitting tab. It's making a beep noise.
Beep noise. So where it is installed then? Go up. Here only, right? We generated here only, I think.
Yes. Project is called Arduino Blink. Here is the project name.
Home Lavanya Arduino Blink is there.
Yeah.
Small a it is actually. Not caps.
Okay. The
It
project
is
name is
changed
this.
to, yeah, you have given caps A.
Yes.
That's why it is changed A.
Okay.
It is a small snake case, right?
Yeah.
So that's why.
Arduino
Hit
hyphen
tab now.
Blink. Okay. Yeah. When I hit
Yeah.
tab, it is completing. Now I hit enter.
Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Enter now. Code space dot. It will direct VS code.
Okay.
Hit enter. Yeah.
when I type this code space dot, will it open any text editor that I am using, or will it open VS Code only?
Yeah, if you want, you are already still in that path, right? If you want to open that folder, you can just do that code dot.
Okay.
It will open that current path. It will take current path.
Okay. So it has already generated for me here. It has that cargo file.
Yeah.
So
Cargo file, go to source and check cargo.ml before that.
okay, cargo.toml. So what I'm doing here is generating the
And
code myself.
it's generating the whole code.
Okay.
So no need to write from scratch. It's
Okay.
already there, right?
Okay. How are we able to generate the code? What are we using?
So if I have written that code, I need to like that format to cargo generate.
Okay.
So if you go to the template, right? You have opened in Firefox. Go to the Firefox,
Yeah.
and here it is cargo generate.toml. So we need this cargo generate.toml. If
This one.
yeah,
Okay.
in this project, AVR Hall template is there. Right? Here it is there. Right? See which board do you want to use?
Yes.
They have already written how to generate this one.
Okay.
In this command line interface, nothing else.
Okay.
Through command line, we are generating that one code. It's
Okay.
already there, that code. In that, we are generating we are selecting the board and the target board both.
Okay. To do this, I need something called cargo generator. Is that a crate?
Yes, cargo generator is a crate.
Okay.
It will generate if the examples are available.
Okay. So when I provide this URL link, it is going to take from here and then generate it for me using
Yes.
that crate.
Yes.
Okay. Now I should be able to blink this. That's the case, right?
Now just check build, cargo build.
Okay.
Open terminal here only and check cargo build.
Open terminal here only.
Yeah,
New terminal. Okay. Cargo build.
cargo build. Yeah.
Should I do hyphen release?
Yeah. Oh. I think you have not installed nightly, so it is again installing.
Okay.
You are thinking how it is installing. You haven't given the command, right?
Yes.
Go to that Rust tool chain.toml is there, right? Click on that Rust tool,
Yeah,
last one.
Okay.
Here we are telling that compiler we need channel this one, and this is the compiler nightly, and this is components, and this is the profile, minimal profile.
Okay.
We are telling that tool chain,
Okay.
so we can do that also.
Okay. So
It is
by
finished.
by this, Rust has understood that we need the nightly and it is downloading by itself.
Yeah.
Installing.
We are telling that yes, it requires nightly and the component source and profile minimal.
Okay. So that is what the Rust toolchain toml file does. So
Yes.
cargo toml has all my dependencies.
Has the dependencies, all dependencies.
Okay. Cargo.lock file is something that my system
All
will have generated.
GitHub links it will be there. If you click on that cargo.log,
Yeah.
the path, yeah, click.
Cargo.lock. I'm in cargo.lock right
Yeah, here packages versions, all packages version will be available. It is
Okay.
automatically it will generate.
now. Okay. And in the source
All
file,
dependencies.
I have my main file.
Yeah, you have a main file.
And this is also generated.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what do I type here?
Now it is finished, right? I think you need to install that AVDU. I think, right? Ravedude.
Okay.
Ravedude.
Ravedude. Okay. How do I install that?
Cargo install Ravedude.
Hit enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Install.
So Ravedude is another crate.
Yeah, for that, for flashing.
Okay. Now Ravedude is
Now just
installed.
cargo run. do that cargo. Yeah, do cargo run.
Okay.
Yeah. It is already board connected, right?
No, board is not yet connected.
So that's why it is telling no matching serial port found.
Okay, so this is when I connect the board.
Yeah, you need to connect.
Okay.
Ravedude is a tool to flash Arduino board. We are using to flash Arduino board. ELF.
Okay.
In C it is AVR dude. They have changed Ravedude.
Okay. So now the board is connected.
Now again you run cargo run.
Now I have to hit cargo run. Okay.
Yeah. I think you have not added devices. In devices, go and up menu bar devices. Need to enable the
Okay, I go to devices,
and here USB.
USB, Arduino.
Yeah, USB. Yes. Need to select, I think.
Okay.
Click Arduino selected, right?
Yeah.
Now you check.
Now I have to hit cargo run again.
Yeah.
Okay, and my board is connected.
Yeah. Program
Yeah, I can see
But
that
those
the
controls
LED is
see-
blinking.
blinking.
Yeah.
Right? Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. That's enough.